Hello my wonderful lazy dancers, welcome to Lazy Dancer Tips. I'm Alessia. Today ready for you, I've got something a little bit different, but you kind of done it before. It's a contemporary ballet center class. Yes, we're going to be dancing, we're going to be moving, and we're going to find different movements but that we are so familiar with. We've done it in ballet, but we're just going to give it a little different twist. And remember that if you need any more help with the basics of ballet, I've got the Beginner's Ballet Course ready for you. I'm going to link it down in the box below for anyone that keeps on asking me, and it's right there in the list, first link, and up here in the cards for you to go and check it out. In that course, I will tell you all the basics, everything that you need to know in order for you to dance at your best. Because yes, we've got to start somewhere, we've got to have everything clear in order for us to express ourselves in the best way possible. So if you're ready for this contemporary ballet center class, get your bare feet on, bare, and let's dance it. Mwah. Bare. Breathe. Second position. Good. Bend. And breathe out. Knee, arm. Is that the movement is starting? It's almost like a tripping over. Again. Very good. Core engage. Coming back in. And out. Very good. This time, the arm goes opposite for a nice slow stretch. Good. Knee again. Knee, arm. Good. And breathe. Good. Too fast. In. Second fast. From there, we go. Place it down and up, good, down and down. Two first, we go forward. You bend the body, coming back up. And breathe and up. Bend the body, knees are still pushing out to your left. A little movement, go. Coming back, and bend again, one, down, soft with the music, breathe to the back, we go back, look at the foot, come back to me, and in, other leg, back, and look at the foot, check the knee, good, back to the side, one, fly, one, and good, one, down, up, and in, we go second, back in, and again, second, back in, again, one, back in, second, back in, feel the legs, second, and in, second, and in, breathe parallel, arm up, swing down, and back, up, arms up, swing down, roll them up, back to second, second, come back in, second, come back in, stay in second, breathe, from here we go, shoulder, 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 and again, one shoulder, second shoulder, third shoulder, 1, 2, good, and bend, good, you go arm, back in, change, down, in front, and back. Feel where the movement comes from. One more time, from the core again, from the core, yes, and back. Good. It's like punch, small punch, back we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Beautiful. Float. Gorgeous. Coming up. Breathe. Smile. This time we go down, leg back, wheelie, around. He goes second, leg back, wheelie, around and go. Yes, leg back, on your heels and down. Second, jump in, leg, twirly. Few more times, so we go. Decisive, leg back, and enjoy. Down. Breathe. Last time. 2 seconds. Leg back. Stay there. 2 forward. We go arm. Lift. Arm. Lift. One more time. Arm. Lift. Bend. Twirly. Other way. We go. Arm. Lift. Arm. Lift. And down. Lift. Down. Twirly. Stay there. One more time. Down. Lift. Down. Lift. Down. Lift. Down. Twirl. And down. Last time. One arm. Lift. One arm. Lift. Last time. Lift. Down. Twirl. Back to parallel. We go. Foot. Down. Other foot. Down. Foot. Come on with attitude. And push. 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 If your feet are not cramping, now I'll come and point them for you. Back down. We go first. We go parallel. We go first. We go parallel. We go first. We go parallel. We go first. Shake it. We go. Lift. 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 Again. Lift. Step, step. Lift. Lift. Back in first. First. Parallel. First. Parallel. First. We go. Down. Second. Down. Second. This time we go down. You sit. Leg out. Back in. I know. Get close. We go down. Leg out. Back in. Come on. With no hands. Again. Like we did before. Down. Leg. In. Here. Good. Second moment of breather. Down. Stay close. Leg. Come back close. Lift. Second. Go. Step. 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 Up. Up. Back into shoulder. 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 Twirl. Hand. Twirl the other way. Shoulder. Good. Twirl. And up. Twirl. Here. Breathe. First. 1, 2. Breathe. Run fast. second. Pulse.